Hey guys, so what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can convert a table on Microsoft OneNote into an Excel spreadsheet. So let us get started. So guys, let me navigate to Microsoft OneNote on my computer. Access the quick note here on the left hand side inside my notebooks with the given table here. I added it, for example, to this quick notes page here so that we may focus on this table entirely without any other parts of these pages. So what you want to do, guys, there are two ways how you can use Microsoft Excel spreadsheets here on OneNote. One option would be to create a new table. Here, click into your page anywhere you like, navigate to Insert, and you may click into Spreadsheet here and select, for example, existing Excel spreadsheet so that you may get redirected to your Microsoft Excel account and include or paste a spreadsheet from there, or you may create a new Excel spreadsheet and after that you may use it here like you would on Excel, as you can see with that symbol here with the background and fill it with content. However, guys, there's also option number 2. If you'd like to convert the table you have created here on OneNote through the table feature in the top left, you may do that with these tables. So what you want to do is select the given table, navigate to the table tab at the top, and here on the right hand side you will see this option convert to Excel spreadsheet, and that is going to convert your OneNote table into a spreadsheet table like we see here with formatting from Excel. So to do that, click into this button, wait for the converting to be finished for a brief moment, and you will see the Excel table here so that you may click into it, expand or resize it, as you can see. Click into edit here and you will then be redirected to this Excel spreadsheet here. Now you will need to maximize or resize it here, of course, and fill these tables with content via Excel. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.